Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily make a freehand drawing in the Google Drive without any app. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First thing you'll have to do is open your browser and go on to drive.google.com. If you don't have an account, make an account, or you'll have to log into your account first. And once that's done, you can see this option right here called named new. You have to click on it, and now you will have to go for more settings and more, and now you can see the option Google Drawings. You can click on it, and now you will have a board where you can draw anything. So let me show you how it's done. As you can see, I can make drawings right here, and maybe lines, arrows, and anything like that, just like that. So I can also insert images, add shapes, and anything like that. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.